How to ship your device to us for repair. Once you have purchased the repair service for your device, you can ship the device to us in a number of ways. If you selected the option for us to provide you a prepaid shipping label, we will email you the prepaid label once your order is confirmed. This will be to your registered email. This covers the following options: Royal Mail Tract 48 prepaid, Royal Mail Tract 24 prepaid, Royal Mail Special Delivery prepaid. Our prepaid labels cover the shipping to our premises and also the return shipping back to you. If you selected the option for self-shipping, this means you need to pay for the postage yourself and ship the device to our premises. If we provided you with a prepaid label, you can arrange to ship this in a few ways. Option 1. You can book a free collection from Royal Mail and they can bring the label on the day if you don't have a printer. Option 2. Drop off at a local post office. It's prepaid if you selected this option, so you just need to box it up, print the label and drop off at the post office. If you don't have a printer, no worries, we email you a QR with the label. You can scan this QR code at a post office branch to get the label printed in store. Visit the collections option on the Royal Mail website. We will have emailed you a tracking number. Enter this onto the site and you can book your collection. As it's prepaid, the collection is currently free. Select up to 2 kilograms for special delivery or up to 1 kilogram for Royal Mail Tract 48 or 24. Max weight 2 kilograms. Max length 45 centimeters. Max wideness 35 centimeters. Max depth 16 centimeters. Pop your address in and Royal Mail will confirm a collection. Make sure to pick a convenient date and time. Print the prepaid shipping label we emailed you when placing the order. You can then package the device and drop off direct at a post office. You can also scan the QR code at a branch to get the label printed direct in store if you don't have a printer. Prepare your device. Before sending your device, it is crucial to ensure that it is properly prepared for shipping. Follow these steps. Back up all your data and remove any personal information from the device. Disable any passcodes or security features on the device. Remove any SIMs or memory cards from the device. Place the device in a protective case or wrap it securely in bubble wrap to prevent any damage during transit. Use a sturdy shipping box or padded envelope to protect your device during transit. Include a copy of your receipt or proof of purchase inside the package. Securely seal the package with tape to ensure it does not open during shipping. If provided with a prepaid label, affix it to the package. If not, choose a reliable shipping service and pay for the shipping costs. Consider using a trackable shipping service or purchasing shipping insurance for added security. One, ship the device to us. 2, we confirm receipt. 3, we perform the repair. 4, we ship back to you fully tracked. Thanks for watching.